Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Oraimo. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys already know, today we are rocking with another great and amazing Oraimo kinda smartwatch. And last time we talked about the power bank, you saw the Oraimo rover, but today we're checking out the Oraimo smartwatch, which it's a square kinda look or feel. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we have it. So this is the Oraimo smartwatch. Now, what captured me mostly throughout this kind of watch is the way it looks, and it reminded me of Z Blaze. Is it Z Blaze? Yeah, I think Z Blaze have something like this, a little bit closer to this. So we checked it out last time, but today we're checking out Oraimo, what it's really packed. And yeah, enough of me talking. Let's jump in throughout unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's goody inside. Let's do this way. Yeah. This is the watch, as you can see, and we are having a welcome guide throughout here, which is really great if you just get some time to read it and check it out and how you're gonna be connecting throughout the watch and your smartphone. Really important to just read this kind of bad boy. Having the cable throughout charging this kind of bad boy seems to be great, and it's a magnetic kind of cable. Yeah, it's a magnet kind of cable. This is the watch, as you can see it here. It's really nice and really amazing. It has a little bit of touches, which I kind of like it. The bands, they're actually not bad. It's good throughout this kind of watch, because just know that this kind of watch, it's a budget range, so do not expect too much of expectation, but I can say it's just overall like an Z Blaze. It reminds me of the Z Blaze watch. Same feel, same touch. I thought that this kind of ring, it's just, you know, you enhance. Some of the watches does that, but overall not bad. So this is our screen guard, or our screen to pin it. So we're gonna pin it right now, just like that. So guys, as you can see, this is the application, and it's really nice throughout Oraimo Health. And through here, it's exercise. You can choose between outdoor running, outdoor cycling, and outdoor walking, which is great. And through here, it's the section which is like a hub, whereby you see other products. When you jump throughout here, it's a device, so as you can connect throughout this kind of watch. And throughout here is your profile, to see what's happening with your profile on your watch, which is quite really great. So right now we just need to bind the watch. So just go to device, allow, and throughout here, what's going to be happening is just that we're going to choose between binding on the QR code or Bluetooth. This is basically your new version. If you get an update, just upgrade. Don't worry, just do that. Device has charged. I believe the device has charged, obviously. Oh, that's a very quick firmware update. But overall, it's really great throughout updating this kind of bad boy. Now it's time to check it out, the features. And when you jump in on the settings side, this is the settings side, as you can spot it. Really nice and amazing, slick kind of setting side, not bad. And yeah, when you just go back and swipe through the widgets, these widgets just have a bunch of widgets until you jump in throughout the music kind of section widget, because when you play music throughout here, it can play throughout both the phone and the watch, depending on you which selection you want. But when you just jump in throughout home, this kind of button here, you can see all the apps over here, which is really amazing throughout this watch. And you can even have a functionality of camera remote control, and it's really feeling really good. And I kind of like it the way they kept it, and it even does measure pressure, which is something which is so surprising. So if you want to measure pressure, you can just have your watch locked in, and you just measure pressure, and it has bunch of options throughout using it. So yeah, such an amazing kind of watch from Oraimo, packed with good amazing features. The wristband is actually really good, and I think whenever you lose this kind of wristband, it's possible to get around a wristband which is compatible throughout this kind of watch, which still you're going to be using it and rocking throughout it. It's really great, and I really like it. So yeah. So it has an amazing kind of 2.0 HD full touch screen. It has more than 28-day standby of time. It offers you 105 sports modes, and it has a blood oxygen and heart rate monitor. Throughout it, it has an IP68 throughout water resistant. It's even capable of staying with power for 7 consecutive days, which is really amazing. Speaking about the Bluetooth wise, it has Bluetooth version 5.3, and talking about the material of this kind of watch, it has an ABS material, which is really amazing. Consider buying the Oraimo smartwatch, which is really great. I kind of like it. This kind of smartwatch, it's a square, it has bunch of packed kind of features which I wish it could be more enhanced, but throughout the price range is actually not bad, because the pricing of this kind of watch is actually budget. Do not compare with the TicWatch or any kind of watch which might be a little bit high end. So it just offers you some features which it has. It does not have a store, so do not consider if it has a store. It just have minimal features of day-to-day basis of usage. This is something which is so great, and it stays with power for quite a while. I mean, 7 days is actually not bad. It's kind of like a Mi Band kind of watch throughout that kind of criteria of battery, but even Mi Band is more, but it's like somewhere there. It's like baby foot somewhere there. So that's it throughout this kind of Oraimo watch. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Would you be grabbing something like this which is much budget, or consider something a little bit high end which has more packed features? And I wish Oraimo could just jump throughout Wear OS for more kind of flexibility on the smartwatches section. It will be really amazing. And overall, this is my video today. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the Oraimo smartwatches on their next big thing? I wish they could just improve throughout a smartwatch which can have store, can be having a Wear OS, can be much more fluidity throughout that criteria. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's your boy here, Oraimo113. If you're new here, consider subscribing, because half of you guys are not subbed to the channel. Make sure that you're subbed to the channel to be much appreciated. And last but not least, catch you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.